Big up everybody we check in. Remember for like, share, comment and subscribe. Now drop a like and a comment if you agree with what Usain Bolt liar say. Some people are say what Bolt liar asks for is not unreasonable. They must say the government should at least share the information that was gathered with Bolt, being that he had his money stolen at the company. Let me come here, Wagwan. Look and listen.
What specifically, if anything, is Mr. Ball requesting?
Okay. The matter is being investigated, and one person has been charged. That person could be described as a low-level employee or officer of the entity. It is more than curious that nobody else has been charged, and how can it be that not only Mr. Bolt's money, but all the other persons, including several senior citizens, their monies disappear from this entity, and nobody is being called upon. The officers, the senior persons who would have to transfer those funds. Because bear in mind that Mr. Bolt's funds were not taken in a basket or a scandal bag and put on a counter or put on the floor. It was bank transfer. It was transferred from a financial institution to SSL. So how did it leave SSL without a trace? It's not someone took up a bag of money and walk out. Checks and bank transfers were done to move this money. Why this can't be found?
Now we're going to talk about the money get catch on the camera. But before that, tell me what you think. But wait, both liars say. Most people agree. Most people believe say the way the situation was being handled. Some people believe say the state was more whether ashamed or afraid of how it will look to the public than easing the mind of Bolt. Because to hear Bolt attack, clearly Bolt also feel disrespected by the way the government handled the situation. Bolt frustration with the company and whoever the company were taking money. It's a different frustration from the frustration we feel with the government. Now has the opposition capitalized on that frustration with the government? Yes. But is Bolt's situation political? No. Is the outrage now being seen in a political sense? Yes. We have to be truthful. It is being seen from that point of view. Because remember, one party is the government. So the other party I say, yo, this wouldn't happen if I did we. While the other party I say, yo, based on the timeline of when it happened, it did happen when I did you. We don't know. But the government will never share the information with Bolt. Or the party in a power now. So Bolt frustration with them is different from that with them have with SSL. Bolt no care about no building. Bolt no care about that. Bolt no care about Both say they even talk to the other clients. Them. So I say not care about them, but both say focus on himself and fee money. Which anybody will understand it. But Bolt still believes that the situation could have been handled better on the part of the government. With what them do. Or if them actually do nothing. Because they said reach. Since information are reached to him so slow, even one day them actually do nothing at all. The government is saying that them are the whole heap. Them hire the international people and to come look into what one and something. But them never share the information with the public nor with Bolt. Even if them not tell the public, because them like how it go look, them could have tell Usain Bolt. But for some reason, them probably believe that Usain Bolt would have returned to the media and tell them where I'm here. Would he have done so? We don't know. Would you disagree with him doing that? But maybe that was one of the reasons why they have to tell him. He never work out in favor though. Don't go make things worse. Now, I'm going to see the man caught on video. They will continue reasoning. Look and listen. Yo, I was really going this up. As your brother say, I'm in a trouble. Me a man say I couldn't Jamaica that. I could have never Jamaica that. And next man I say, yo, no, I'm not Jamaica. Because a Spanish barking dog. A man say a dog them here bark. If I want them Spanish speaking country. We don't know how him know. But the people have some whole heap of things in the comment section. This get caught on camera. But what we go on? This man let out. This man lead in the donkey. And then this man pull him down and let him out. Me I hope say Jamaica for true. Me I hope say I want them Spanish speaking country for true. Me I hope say I want them other country there. Me I hope say Jamaica. Me absolute. Tell me you think. Tell me if you believe say this happened in Jamaica. We hear the story them do. We hear stories like this from the Jamaican island. Yes, we have heard stories like this. We see some video on TikTok where I said the aftermath of some scenarios like this with different type of animal. But we see it on video. And I think one time you have an actual video, you know. I guess that's why some people are say a Spanish speaking country. You have a video, you know, with some youth about your donkey. Yeah. You have a video circulate on the social media to one time. With the youth, them a commit this act. So I guess that's why the person in the comment section I say, yo, I must over that side of world. But we hear them story about yard. A woman say, she's surprised. A woman say, if I saw, man shot a woman. I don't know. I don't know what this would just say. I really don't know what that would just say. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me you think about what with both money. Tell me you think about that video too. With that brother there. We are carrying the people them donkey. Look like hours a night. We hear the dog about, but we don't see him on the street. Hours a night. But tell me you think about what both lawyers say. But the way the state handled the situation, along with Bolt's outrage, and along with the way Bolt accept on the media. I guess the government would have want Bolt to handle the matter in private. But Bolt said that was the exact way we mean to handle it, and that's why for 2 years we don't hear nothing. But now, close to a general election, and the information just found out. So both talk about it now. Both never strategically wait until a near election to start talking about it again. The information like it just found out. Both like in just here too. It's like how we just here. But talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Until the reason again, of course, my sentiments for you and yours that want to live, love and prosper. And also want to stay tuned.